Hello, friends. It's me, Teacher Spark, back with another fun lesson. Last time, we learned the alphabet. Today, we're going to use some of those letters to learn new words and sounds. Are you ready? Let's get started. Before we learn new words, let's quickly review the letters. A, B, C, D, and E. Say them with me. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. Great work! You remembered them all. F for fish and frog. Can you say fish? Can you say frog? Great! Fish starts with F, like fish. G for grapes and goat. Say grapes. Now goat. Good job! Grapes starts with G, like grapes. H for hat and horse. Say hat. Say horse. Awesome! Hat starts with H, like hat. I for ice and igloo. Say ice. Say igloo. Excellent! Ice starts with I, like free ice. J for juice and jelly. Say juice. Say jelly. Well done! Juice starts with J, like juice. K for kite and key. Say kite. Say key. Great! Kite starts with K, like kite. L for lion and lemon. Say lion. Say lemon. Awesome! Lion starts with L, like lion. M for mouse and milk. Say mouse. Say milk. Amazing! Mouse starts with M, like mouse. N for nest and net. Say nest. Say net. Good job! Nest starts with N, like NNST. O for orange and octopus. Say orange. Say octopus. Excellent! Orange starts with O, like orange. P for pig and pizza. Say pig. Say pizza. Great! Pig starts with P, like PPPIG. Q for queen and quilt. Say queen. Say quilt. Awesome. Queen starts with kilowatt, like queen. R for rabbit and rain. Say rabbit. Say rain. Fantastic. Rabbit starts with R, like rabbit. S for sun and star. Say sun. Say star. Super. Sun starts with S, like Sussan. T for tiger and table. Say tiger. Say table. Terrific. Tiger starts with T, like Tiger. U for umbrella and unicorn. Say umbrella. Say unicorn. Amazing. Umbrella starts with U, like U umbrella. V for van and violin. Say van. Say violin. Very good. Van starts with V, like for van. W for watermelon and whale. Say watermelon. Say whale. Wonderful. Watermelon starts with W, like watermelon. X for xylophone and X-ray. Say xylophone. Say X-ray. Excellent. X starts with Z, like in xylophone. Y for yellow and yogurt. Say yellow. Say yogurt. You did it. Yellow starts with Y, like yellow. Z for zebra and zipper. Say zebra. Say zipper. Zooming through. Zebra starts with Z, like zebra. It's game time. I'll show you a picture, and you tell me which letter it starts with. Are you ready? What is this? That's right, an apple. What letter does it start with? Yes, A. What is this? Correct, it's a ball. What letter does it start with? B. What's this? A cat. And the letter C. What is this? A dog. And the letter G. What's this? An egg. And it starts with E. It's time for another game. I'll show you a picture, and you tell me which letter it starts with. Ready? Let's go. What is this? A fish? What letter does it start with? That's right, F. What are these? Grapes. And the letter G. You're amazing. What is this? A hat. What letter starts hat? H. Fantastic work. What is this? An igloo? And the letter I. Incredible. What is this? Jelly. What letter starts jelly? That's right, J. What is this? A key. What letter does key start with? K. Great job. What is this? A lemon. And the letter L. You're doing fantastic. What is this? Milk. What letter starts milk? M. Marvelous. What is this? A net. And the letter N. Nice work. What is this? An orange. What letter starts orange? O. Outstanding. What is this? Pizza. What letter starts pizza? P. Perfect. What is this? A quilt. And the letter Q. Quick thinking. What is this? A rabbit. What letter starts rabbit? R. Right on. What is this? A star. And the letter S. Super smart. What is this? A tiger. What letter starts tiger? T. Tremendous. What is this? An umbrella. What letter starts umbrella? U. Unbelievable. What is this? A violin. And the letter V. Very good. What is this? A watermelon. What letter starts watermelon? W. Wonderful. What is this? An X-ray. And the letter X. Excellent guess. What is this? A zebra. What letter starts zebra? Z. Zooming through the alphabet like a star. You all did an incredible job. You guessed every single letter correctly. Give yourselves a big round of applause and a big thumbs up. Are you ready for the next part? Let's go. It's time to get creative. Grab some paper and your favorite crayons, markers, or pencils. Let's draw pictures of some of the words we learned today. I'll give you some ideas to get started. For F, you can draw a fish or a frog. Imagine your fish swimming in a colorful ocean. For H, try drawing a happy horse or a fun hat. You can even design your own hat. For O, how about drawing a bright orange or a playful octopus with wiggly arms? Don't worry if it's not perfect. Just have fun with your drawing. Use lots of colors to make it pop. Remember, art is about expressing yourself. When you're done, show your amazing drawings to someone in your family. You can even hang them on the wall or the fridge. Parents, feel free to share a picture of your child's masterpiece in the comments below. I'd love to see them. Great job, everyone! Your drawings are wonderful, and I'm so proud of you. Keep practicing your letters by drawing new words every day. You're doing amazing! You all did an incredible job today. Let's quickly recap. We learned new words for the letters A, B, C, D, and E. Can you find more words at home that start with these letters? I'm sure you can. Thank you for learning with me today. Don't forget to practice and share your drawings with your family. See you next time for another fun English adventure. Bye bye.